Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and set up custom LED lamp notifications on your OPPO A94 5G. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app and enter NotifyBuddy. Hit the search button, select this app, install it. Now when the process is done, we'll be able to open our app. From here, move to the next step, and you'll need to grant two permissions for this app. First one is overlay permission. Click on the grant, find NotifyBuddy and press on the switch. Go back, find notification permission, click grant, locate NotifyBuddy, here allow notification access and then again allow. Now go back. And right here we have battery optimization, which is optional. You don't need to disable it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's move to the next step and accept. From here we can start using our app, and we have 4 tabs down here. First one is user, and you can select any app that you want to get custom LED lamp notifications for. So for example, let's pick TikTok. Next is system, and here you'll be able to see all system bound apps and also select them to get these notifications. In the active, you'll find all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you'll be able to customize the LED lamp itself. So you can choose the time between blinking, change its color, shape, placement on the screen and size. But some of these options are hidden behind the premium version of this app. So now, in order to see how it looks like, let's click on the test button. Here you can see this LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.